Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to make eggs and cheese. Yes, Food Line medium cheddar cheese and eggs, large white egg. And what I have done is cracked a few eggs. We got some tangerines now. Put them in a mixture bowl with cheese and eggs. Added a little onion powder and some pepper, and yes, we stir it up nicely. And we place this in the microwave. Yes, yes. Take that spoon and fork out and put it over here. And voila, after 3 minutes, we have a nice mixture of eggs and cheese. Nice and nutritious. Got a granola bar to taste and Pepsi Zero Sugar to drink it down. Peace.